sometimes think about what's winning, what's a good employee, who are the people we want in our organizations, and we forget about the other people that we need to help make those people successful. So we're gonna break it down and we're gonna get into the race behind the race. You guys ready for that? I had one of the most spectacular bicycle wrecks of all times. I went over the wheels, my face hit the dirt, I sat up, I was completely stunned. My buddy comes running up to me and he's like, man, are you okay? Are you okay? Because he thought I had died. I had the best bike wreck of my entire life and I didn't even get to see it. I don't know if that's where it started, but I never let that deter me from loving the freedom of going to ride a bicycle. For some, bicycles are freedom. For others, transportation. For some, bicycles are recreation. But today we're gonna talk about bicycles as business. Look at me. I'm 6'3" and I'm not telling you how much I weigh, but let's just be assured, me and gravity get along real well. I'm more fun coming down the backside, but it's the king or the queen of the mountain that gets to the top first. There's multiple ways to win. Now let's talk about why that's important. Everybody has something unique. No matter what your role, everybody makes a difference for the people that your company serves. They've got something special that other people need to know about. Humor is a great tool to diffuse anxiety, to diffuse tension, to open people up to learning and to get them comfortable in a space. I'll be serious when I need to be serious, but I use humor to help people learn in a moment, to get comfortable in a moment. I do that every single day and it totally makes it worth it. It was a game changer for me when I started allowing myself to do that when I worked with clients. Looks like most of you in the room know how to ride a bike. I want you to do me a favor. Turn to the person next to you and explain to them how to ride a bicycle. You can't learn how to ride a bike sitting right here. You have to experience it. But here's the beautiful thing about riding a bicycle. Once you've learned how to ride a bike, you never forget. People remember good stories. People remember a good song, right? People remember a great poem or a movie. So if you can invoke some of that emotion and make that connection with people, then what we're talking about is real. I think it's important to meet your client where they are. So I want to come in and have a conversation. And sometimes we set the script down and we go a different direction. We go where the audience needs us to go. Every day is like a bike race. You can have a strategy, but undoubtedly it's a highly dynamic environment and things are going to change. Sometimes to your advantage, sometimes they're going to work against you and you have to make adjustments on the fly. The age-old saying, it's not what happens to you, it's what you do with it. It's exactly what we're going to talk about today. When we have those crashes, we have those wrecks, we have those unexpected wins, we have things that we didn't see coming, things that we did. That, my friends, is how we're going to help you get and keep you in position to win.